Do it yourself poultry organic garden project. Build your own today. Are you looking for cost-effective, natural and sustainable ways to build your poultry farm organic garden? In this video, we will show you step by step do it yourself organic garden project that will help you grow fresh, chemical free feed and plants, reduce feeding costs and keep your birds healthy and thriving. You will learn from this video how to set up a low cost organic garden for poultry, best plants and herbs to grow for better egg production and weight gain for your poultry, how to create a sustainable feed system for your birds, organic pest control and disease prevention using organic herbs, how to save money and improve poultry health and farm smarter with this do-it-yourself project. Here is our own backyard project at the back of our farm. You can see that there is a river close by. We use irrigation system. This is the dry season and you can see how fresh this organic plants looks because we are using organic fertilizer also with the help of the water from the river behind this farm. Everything here looks fresh. You can see this is a visit to this particular garden close to our farm. Here we planted different organic herbs, both fresh garden leaves that we human beings can still eat, and our poultry can as well use them for immune booster and growth promoter also. You can convert that little space you have in your poultry backyard into usable organic poultry farm or organic plant for your poultry birds. Stop buying medications from the market. Cost of medication is going higher and is going to reduce your profit, if not dropping your profit to zero. Start planting your own today. You have many advantages for using this poultry organic garden in your backyard. Here we are talking about something very important, why you need an organic garden in your poultry backyard. This small setup can save you money, keep your chickens healthy and make your farm more natural and self-sufficient. One, it will save money on feed, cut your feeding cost. Feed is expensive, medication is also expensive. These plants serve as feed and as medications also to your poultry birds. But with an organic garden, you can grow fresh green herbs and vegetables for your birds without spending extra money. Things like pumpkin, green, other spices like bitter leaf, scent leaf, and many others. Pumpkin can help you to boost your poultry weight. Moringa leaves, also plantain leaves, all these are very important. Can boost chicken health naturally. Many plants have natural vitamins and medicines for chickens. Neem leaves help fight diseases. Bitter leaf improves digestion and moringa leaves gives extra protein and minerals. These things keep your birds strong, active and disease free. Better egg production and growth. Healthy chickens lay more eggs. When your birds eat natural greens and herbs, their eggs are bigger, shells are stronger and meat grow better. This means higher profit for you as a poultry farmer. No chemical, everything is natural. Most commercial feed have chemicals and artificial boosters, but when you grow your own food, everything is fresh and green, organic. You can see how colorful these plants are because we are using organic fertilizer also. Everything here is organic. Your birds eat clean, free chemicals food which make their meat and eggs healthier for people to eat. Control bad smells and flies. Bad smells and flies in the poultry can be a problem, but when you grow plants like lemongrass, basil and neem, they help to reduce odor and keep flies away. Your farm stays fresh and clean always. Protect against common poultry diseases. Many herbs act as natural medications for poultry. For example, aloe vera helps with infections, garlic booster and helps to boost the immunity, and propolis stop diarrhea. With these plants, you can see pawpaw plants, you can see banana and plantain all around here, you can see aloe vera, you can see pumpkin, and rest of them. Many of them are here. All these plants I teach you are here. We planted all of them in this little space. You will see still got the egg leaves. They're all here. You spend less on drugs and antibiotics. Environmental friendly and easy to set up. Setting up an organic garden is easy and cheap. You can use small space, old containers, or even grow plants along the poultry fence. It keeps the environment clean and helps the farm look nice too. You can see the egg leaves and other plants here. You can see how greenish they are, because we are using the droppings from poultry, and we also convert those droppings into organic manure. So many farmers, having an organic garden in your poultry backyard is one of the best things you can do. It saves money, keeps birds healthy, improve egg and meat quality, and protect against disease naturally. If you enjoy this particular video, please like and share this video. Subscribe for more updates. Let this video reach more of your farmer friends, your groups, and other platforms you belong. Please, we have two channels. Make sure you subscribe to both channels. Thank you for watching. Bye.